guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, can you tell? Can you guess? I'm not even wearing earrings, what an idiot. But today's video is going to be on this hairstyle right here. I've really just been loving this wet hairstyle. It's so easy, it's effortless. It really doesn't take a long time, so you can take 5 years doing your makeup and 2 minutes doing your hair and you're out the door, but you look stylish and you look sleek, you look trendy or whatever. Yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching. All right, y'all ready to tame this hair? I hate that it's so short. First things first, for the wet look, your hair gotta be a little wet. You can grab any water bottle. This is, I have water in this Pantene heat protecting spray bottle thing because I like the spray. But it's just plain water and I kind of just wet it all. You don't want it soaked, but you want it damp, if you know what I mean. Just make sure you get the ends, make sure they're not dry. You could even do this, I did this with my hair straight and I just wet it and added the products on top. But you definitely want to let it dry a little bit or towel dry it. My hair's fully dried because I washed it yesterday. I just let it dry while I slept and I worked all day, so make sure you get the inside too. Don't be dying on me, bro. Now that the hair is nice and wet, I'm going to take some of my Living Proof curl defining cream. I swear by this stuff. Before, when I used to, let me just give you guys a little background story on why I started this hairstyle. And ever since I bleached my hair and it broke off, so like all like back here I have short pieces, and when I straighten my hair they kind of just like stick out and you can see it, and it really bothers me. And I'm on the process of growing my hair out, so in order to do that you can't be putting so much heat on your hair. So one day I was like, you know what, it was Thanksgiving was the first day that I tried this hairstyle, and I was like, I don't have time to blow dry it, like I shouldn't be blow drying it, so let me just curl it. And then I kind of just did this and I loved how it looked, and now I've just been keeping my hair curly from now on. But yeah, I'm in the process of growing it out so that those little short pieces can be regular pieces again and I can straighten my hair again. And this is still a little bit dry, so I'm gonna spray right here. And as I spray, I kind of just like scrunch up a little bit. My hair can get pretty curly, honestly. I haven't curled it in a really long time, so it's probably like fried. But if I wanted to like diffuse it and scrunch it a lot, it would hold the curl, like a really nice curl. But I don't want it that curly. I've always loved the like wavy look. There's that. So I'm just gonna keep adding some curl defining cream. This stuff is not gonna make your hair hard. It just keeps a nice curl. I love that Living Proof line. They have a bunch of stuff that I use from my hair. I know Way has good products too, but they're expensive. Ain't nobody got time for that. I think they sell Living Proof at Target now, which is awesome because it used to only be at Sephora. And now they sell it at Target, so it's accessible for everybody. So I'm just working this in. Make sure you get those dry spots. You don't want a wet hair look with dry pieces. That's dumb. And as I'm doing this, I kind of just keep brushing the top backwards. Now I'm going to take some of this Eco Professional styling gel and add a little bit of that. Only a little bit, because I've noticed if you use too much gel, it's gonna get hard. So you don't want to put too much in there. I feel like that cream is just enough. I kind of just like to work this in on my ends so that they don't get dry throughout the day. If you want, you can add, I have this restorative cream by Carol's Daughter. It's kind of just like a leave-in conditioner. You can add a little bit of this just for softness. Add that to the front. I like to focus it more on the top and the sides right here, because if I focus on the top and it's nice and wet, and these sides are dry, it'll like poof out kind of, so then the top is like slicked and then this side is like poofing out. It looks so ugly, so you want to make sure that you get these sides right here. You see that? Like right here will start to dry and it'll look like this. You don't want that. Next, oil is going to be your best friend for a wet hair look. You want to look pretty much greasy. Just spray this all over. This is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Healing Dry Oil. I love this stuff. I use this on my hair when it's straightened, when it's curled. It just gives your hair a nice shine. What is going on back here? What is this? What is this? And then to finish it off, this is by Kenra. This is a thermal styling spray. Funny story about this. It says thermal styling spray, right? So I thought it was a heat protectant spray, but it turns out that it's just hairspray. And I should have known that because it says firm hold, heat activated spray. I'm an idiot. But I'll just spray this. It smells really good. Honestly, I'm just using this so that I can buy the thermal spray that I actually wanted, not this hairspray. And there you have it. So you can leave it like this, just slick back, a nice sleek look. You know what I'm forgetting? Highlight. You can't have a wet hair look without highlight. Are you crazy? Without body highlight. Like what? Girl, I don't go out unless I have this on. My friends already know. And then I take my Becca highlight in the shade Prosecco Pop. Alright, now it's a wet hair look. And that's it. There's your wet look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram's at Picswithtania, and so is my Snapchat. Until next time, I'll see you guys.